Got knee pain? Do the Valentine's Day protocol to get rid of your knee pain. So knee pain, regardless of if it's from injury, if you had arthritis, wear and tear, what can you do to prevent your knees? Because they're degenerating regardless, whether you want it or not. So I created this Valentine's Day protocol. Since it's Valentine's, it's about to be Valentine's Day, right? So you can use this Valentine's Day protocol on your knees and also on your Valentines, okay? So when let's just say you have your Valentine, your spouse, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whatever, you have a Valentine, and it's coming Valentine's Day, how are you going to impress your date, right? So what's the first thing you want to do? If there's any type of conflict, you want to smooth it out, right? So step one is you want to smooth out the knee, smooth out, just like you want to smooth out any conflict with your Valentines, right? So that's step one. Then if that doesn't work, what do we got? What do us guys typically want to do? We're going to massage, right? We're going to massage your Valentine, so massage your knee everywhere, all above, okay? Massage it. Usually a massage calms it down. Usually massage kind of makes things right with your spouse or with your Valentines, right? Well, let's just say that doesn't work. Even massage doesn't. Your Valentine's still pissed off at you. Your knee's still pissed off at you. And massage doesn't work. Then you want to lift them up. Lift them up. You see how I'm lifting my skin off my knee? What does this do? This helps, prevents, because if the skin's all tight, then it's going to restrict your range of motion in your knee. So you want to loosen things up by lifting it, okay? So no, you don't actually pinch your Valentines. You want to lift them up, right? And for the knee, this is the lifting part, right? But let's say even after you lift them up, you say all these nice things to them, and they still are pissed off at you, and you're not having a good Valentine's Day, and your knee still hurts. You're going to use step number 4. Step number 4, you're going to slap them. Slap. Okay? You're going to slap the knee. Slap the knee. Hey, sometimes just a little slap in the booty can get things going, right? So you're going to slap your knee, okay, to increase blood circulation. You're going to do these Valentine's Day protocol 4 steps every single day on both knees to prevent your knee from getting worse and also helping decreasing the current pain that you have. Hope you have a great Valentine's Day. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel.
You got old knees? Pop your knuckles to give you some relief from your knees. So maybe you don't have to be old. Maybe you just feel like your knees are old and you can't really bend them, you can't really squat, you can't do my toilet squat stretch because your knees are killing you, right? Or you're gonna look to your knuckles, you're gonna pop to your knuckles, because what does this look like? Ooh, look at that bend. Ooh, look at that bend. That looks like a knee, right? So you're gonna pop your knuckles, okay? Pop your knuckles. Oh, you got all these knuckles. These will benefit. These are like little joints. Little joints help bigger joints. Little joints help bigger joints. So you can also massage these joints, right? Massage these joints to help your knee pain. So use the opposite hand for the opposite knee. This hand for this knee. This hand for this knee joint, all right? Make sure you subscribe on my YouTube.